100% acrylic. The tray. Compatible with Peloton Bikes, original models. Kick your productivity into high gear. The original multitasking accessory for your Peloton. The tray seamlessly turns your Peloton into a functional dual-purpose workstation, work, meet, read, or watch TV while you ride. Tray accessories. Keep your work from sliding while you ride. This supportive acrylic tray fits onto your handlebars and is the perfect laptop tray or holder for your tablet, phone, books, and more. Peloton bike, laptop, and coffee mug in the image are for illustration purposes only and not included. Made to fit. Designed for your ride. Unlike universal exercise bike desk or computer stand attachments, patent-pending tray is made to fit your Peloton bike and mount on the handlebars in seconds flat without hardware. Throw on the clear acrylic tray and go. Low maintenance, durable and hygienic. Constructed with a heavy-duty acrylic for durability and easy cleaning. The tray is engineered to outlast other accessories and won't harbor stains, sweat, or odor. Just wipe down after use and store the tray on your bike or in another secure location until your next workout. Made in the USA, cause it's for good. At Top Form Design, we stand behind every one of our products for as long as you own it. If you find a problem, talk to us, and we'll make it right. Proudly designed and built in the Pacific Northwest, each tray sale helps fund Peloton Bikes for Parkinson's patients. Top reviews from the United States. Fits perfectly, don't be fooled by the competition. It could be costly. I got the competitor tray just because it was a few dollar less expensive and had a couple of gadgets added to the bundle, but it was after I had just ordered this one, the original spin tray, thinking I would just return it. They both arrived about the same time, so I tried the competitors first, thinking I would keep it. However, it was unstable. So I decided to try the original spin tray since I still had it anyway, and it turned out to be a perfect fit and looking for a few dollars savings could have cost me a dropped iPad or laptop, way more expensive. I highly recommend the original spin tray if you want a stable work surface as you spin.